Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to print Excel sheet in Portrait. So let's start. This is my Excel sheet and here I'm going to print this data. So go to the file tab and click on the print option, and here you see the print preview is showing. And the second way, you can just press the Control P, the shortcut key, to print the documents. And here you see the documents is showing in landscape orientation. So here I'm going to convert in portrait orientation. So just click on this drop down arrow and here select the portrait orientation, and that's it. See the changes over here, and after that just select your printer here and click on the print. That's it. So this is a way you can easily print Excel sheet in portrait. So hope you understood. If you like this, please subscribe. Thank you so much.